MTDCNC are at Brands Hatch at the DTM event. We've been invited here by Hoffmann Group UK and we're here to support Jamie Green. Jamie Green is racing behind you for Hoffmann Group UK, but I've heard rumours he's not the fastest driver for Hoffmann. Is this correct?
Certainly isn't. Yeah, back in 3 years ago, I did a simulator test against Jamie and actually beat him back in Bremen at the facility that we have over there.
That's no good.
I'm pretty sure he'd beat me if I was out there now, though.
How do you think the race is going so far?
Really well. Jamie started 13th. He's now worked his way back up to 8th place. He's making progress.
And also possibly DRS because he's finding
I think the highlights are definitely meeting our customers here and having an opportunity to meet everybody face to face, and the race itself has been fantastic. It's my first time here, so I'm really excited and overwhelmed from what the day been. I'm head of internal sales. I'm looking after the inside sales team. We are dealing with all customer inquiries and orders, basically supporting our customers from the office and supporting our field sales guys as well.
Firstly, have you had a good day?
Well, absolutely fantastic day. Yeah, really good. Really enjoyed it.
Great, even with bad weather, it's still a good day.
Makes the race even better, doesn't it? Even more fascinating. Now, guys, you know, we're in an engineering industry. What do you guys do?
We work Tees Components, which is a heavy engineering company. We make components anything from half a tonne up to 100 tonne, metal components, power station work, subcontract, so we do an awful lot of different components, different companies throughout the UK and worldwide.
There's not many people that have got that kind of capacity, have they, around the UK?
No, you can, in layman terms, it's something we can turn from a polo mint up to something 6.5 metres diameter, 4 metres high and 100 tonne, which there's not many people in the UK can do that.
Tim, thanks very much for inviting MTDCNC to this fantastic event. We've had a great day. Now, what are the highlights for you?
I think the highlight for me really is, obviously I've not been with the company that long, we've just launched in the UK, so building relationships with customers, spending time just understanding, you know, their needs and how what they think of Hoffmann as a company. That's been probably the highlight for me, as well as, you know, a great event and watching the motorsport.
I mean, you've only launched on the 1st of August.
Yeah.
You've had a lot going on since then.
Yeah, I might get some sleep soon. Absolutely, but you know, this is really important for us. So investing in events like this, I think, is really key to how we move the business forward in the future.
Just to summarise, where did you finish today, the Hoffmann sponsored car?
Well, Jamie finished 11th. He started 14th on the grid, so he did make up some places, but I think he had quite a tough race today, but the conditions were a bit wet and slippery, so I think he did okay in the end.